listening to voices that were never cry, measuring your worth in all the wrong ways, thinking you're the only one behind. But the cracks you're trying to hide are the places where the light gets through. You don't see what I see yet, so let me say this to you. There's nothing wrong with you. You're not broken, you're just human. Every scar, every truth is proof that you've been growing. You don't need a taste to belong. You were in love all along, yeah. There's nothing wrong with you. Oh, yeah. You carry questions in your chest, not too late to some invisible race. But life was never meant to test how perfectly you play your game. You're not failing at being strong. You're learning how to stay. It's okay to take your time. It's okay to feel this rush. Nothing wrong with you. You're not broken, you're just human. Every star, every truth is proof that you've been growing. You don't need a taste to belong. You were in love all along, yeah. There's nothing wrong with you. If your heart feels tired tonight, yet it rests, don't let it ride. You don't have to earn your life. You don't know the worth someone. There's nothing wrong with you. Even when you're down, it's true. You don't need fixing, you don't need saving. You're already coming through. So breathe in, let yourself be exactly who